Dalian mo.
Anong color to?
Give it to me. Every day.
Hindi ko alam kung anong brown eh.
Anong brown ba? Just
Sarap.
Nipit talaga naman.
Tama na yan. Kailang, ay, shit. Kasi sinasabi, ipapasok ko na.
Wala na nakaiyak. Ayan na naiiyak. Si Hazel. 50 years pa rin. Ayan na. Oh my God. Ano ba yun? Kaiyak naman.
Please all stand as we welcome the bride.
Wow! Ganda! Naiyak.
Hazel Jewel, sumasang-ayon ka ba na maging asawa ni Daymar na narito ngayon ang isunod sa batas at malituntunin ng ating banal na simbahan?
Opo, pa.
Buong puso.
Amen.
Mark, isuot mo ang singsing na ito bilang tanda ng aming pag-ibig at katapat.
Si Daymar at Hazel Jewel, congratulations po sa inyong dalawa. Kayo, kinikis ka ba?
Go, go, go! Wow! More!
Good evening, everyone. I'm Na. Workmate ni Inday. And this is not just from Inday, Lahat po ng, yung po ng event na to iniyakan ko. Parang kamag-anak ko. Pero on behalf of our circle, I just want to say how incredibly happy we are for the both of you. It truly means so much to us to be here and witness this beautiful day as you begin your life together. Though our hearts are full, we also feel the absence of someone very dear to us. Diana would have loved to be here celebrating with you, but because of her condition, she couldn't make it. Still, she is with us in spirit, sharing in this special moment. As you start with this new chapter, we wanted to give you something that lets you pause, breathe, and simply enjoy being newlyweds. So with all our love, we're gifting you a honeymoon getaway in Tagaytay. Bukas na, huwag kayo malate, please. Bukas yun. To our beloved Inday, Hazel Jewel, and of course, our Dudong Dale Mark. Together with your lovely children, Dave and Days. We wish you nothing but the very best. May your home be filled with love, obviously laughter, and endless blessings. Kasi nakakatanggap kami po. So thank you. Congratulations again and cheers to a lifetime of love and beautiful memories together and 2 more sleepovers together.
Yes! Oh my gosh! Walang kamay! Walang kamay! Ay, gawin ko dyan! Didilaan ko!
Ganun. Yan! Kaya mo yan!
Hindi ko yan kaya!
Oh, walang kamay, walang kamay. Tignan natin kung magaling ka talaga. Diyan mo tatas na. Ayan, ayan. Kaya nga.
Wait lang!
Nagpapawebe pa eh. Oh my God. Oh my God! Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God.
Go, Day!
Go, sis! Oh my gosh. Ang galing mo talaga, lupit mo talaga. Ano? Ah!
Vincent!
Yay!
Taxi ka!
Buisit talaga to si Leia.
Go, 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 Tura!
Say go, Nana! Say go, Nana! Chinana, Chinana! Yeah!